Stop pressing snooze. What if the secret to regaining your youthful energy, confidence, and peak sexual performance wasn't a clinic visit, but a simple coffee recipe you can make in minutes? If you're over 40 and seeking a natural stamina booster that tackles low libido and chronic fatigue at the cellular level, this potent blend of lemon, honey, cinnamon, and ginger is your daily anti-aging elixir. This urologist-approved tonic is scientifically designed to significantly improve circulation, balance hormones, and make you feel like you're 30 again. Keep watching now to unlock the formula for lifelong male vitality. Hello, and welcome back to Men's Health, the premier channel dedicated to science-backed strategies for achieving peak male vitality and lifelong confidence. I'm Dr. Katrina, a board-certified urologist and men's health specialist, and my mission is to provide you with the clinical truth to optimize your health through simple, powerful daily routines and proven natural performance hacks. Today, we are meticulously crafting an amazing energy and health drink specifically formulated to enhance men's sexual health and overall male performance. This recipe leverages the synergistic power of common ingredients to support the body's most crucial systems. We begin by building a concentrated base that focuses on detoxification and robust immune support, both foundational pillars of peak male vitality. Lemon juice, the vascular cleanser, and vitamin C charge. We start with a fresh, ripe lemon, cutting it precisely in half. I will then immediately squeeze the juice from one half. The aroma is already invigoratingly fresh, a sign of the concentrated essential oils being released. Lemon juice is a dense source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that is not only packed with general vitamins beneficial for overall health, but also plays a direct, crucial role in maintaining vascular health and endothelial function. Healthy blood vessels are essential for efficient blood flow, which is the mechanism behind strong erectile function. We aim to get about 1 ounce, 25 milliliters, of pure, fresh juice. A little extra is absolutely no problem. In fact, more vitamin C is a bonus for fighting oxidative stress and slowing cellular aging. This fresh juice acts as the acidic activator for our entire formula. Honey, the antioxidant shield and energy sustainer. Next, we introduce the natural powerhouse sweetener, raw honey. We'll need a precise measure of 1 to 2 teaspoons. Honey is full of essential goodness. It functions as a proven natural antiseptic, which helps boost immunity. And its complex sugar profile ensures it tastes wonderfully natural while providing sustained energy without the sharp crash associated with refined sugar. It's important to note that the antioxidants in honey synergize with the vitamin C in the lemon to create a potent anti-aging elixir that supports cellular repair. Cinnamon zest, the metabolic regulator for sexual longevity. Now, we introduce the spice of sexual longevity, cinnamon. I take a piece of cinnamon stick and grate it finely right into the lemon juice and honey mixture. Cinnamon isn't just an aromatic spice, it's a critical metabolic ingredient. Its active compounds, like cinnamaldehyde, are proven to be great for balancing blood sugar levels and significantly boosting overall metabolism, 2 factors directly linked to preventing type 2 diabetes and vascular damage, both primary enemies of men's sexual health. We must ensure we mix everything thoroughly with a small spoon. We want the honey, lemon juice, and finely grated cinnamon to blend perfectly into a concentrated syrup. We will then let this mixture sit for a bit. This short steeping period allows the flavors to meld and the active compounds to become even more bioavailable and flavorful. This base mixture is the key to our recipe's effectiveness. With our metabolic base established, we now integrate the stimulating and energizing components that give this recipe its power for peak male performance. Coffee, the caffeine edge for focus and microcirculation. In a separate mug, I carefully add a level spoonful of high-quality instant coffee. This will serve as our fundamental energy base. The caffeine in the coffee is the renowned stimulant that provides the crucial boost of energy and good vibes, but its benefits extend into men's health by enhancing focus and alertness and subtly supporting microcirculation throughout the body. The coffee primes the cardiovascular system for the benefits of the other ingredients. Ginger, the natural aphrodisiac and erectile support. Next, into the mug with the coffee, I place a small piece of freshly chopped or sliced ginger root. I absolutely love the spicy, warming aroma. It's an immediate signal of its potent effects. Ginger is warming and intensely energizing, and more significantly, it's a globally recognized natural aphrodisiac. Its active gingerols act as powerful circulatory agents, helping to improve blood flow and directly support healthy erectile function. The combination of ginger and coffee creates a synergistic boost to stamina and vascular tone, making it ideal for male vitality. Hot water and final integration for bioavailability. I then precisely measure out 14 ounces, 400 milliliters, of hot water. It is crucial to make sure the water is not boiling. Excessively hot water can degrade some of the beneficial enzymes in the honey and volatile compounds in the lemon. The warm, near boiling water is poured slowly over the coffee and ginger, and I give it a gentle stir. The complex aroma of the brewing coffee and ginger is already filling the air, signaling the start of the infusion process. Now I take our perfectly prepared, concentrated lemon, honey, and cinnamon mixture and pour it carefully into the mug with the coffee and ginger. Give it one final, good stir to ensure all the compounds are thoroughly blended and dissolved. And there you have it. Our libido-boosting drink is ready. Now the urologist's prescription, sexual longevity, and the 30-year-old feeling. This is not just a coffee. It's a powerhouse of energy and health specifically engineered for men's health optimization. The scientific synergy of this formula directly addresses the root causes of feeling old and sluggish, vascular health. The combination of caffeine, ginger, and cinnamon creates a triple-action boost to circulation and micro-blood flow. Optimal circulation is the non-negotiable requirement for strong erectile function and overall physical endurance, the very definition of feeling like you're 30 again. Metabolic and immune support. Lemon's vitamin C and honey's antioxidants provide cellular protection, while cinnamon acts as a gentle metabolic regulator, ensuring stable energy and reducing the systemic stress that contributes to chronic fatigue. Sustained stamina, the layered energy sources, immediate from coffee, balanced from honey, and sustained from the metabolic effects of cinnamon and ginger. Ensure you are not only refreshed, but have the long-lasting stamina required for demanding days and confident nights. This drink is your daily ritual for sustained male vitality. It will truly refresh you, support your immune system, and give you the natural performance boost you deserve. Give it a try, and don't forget to share how it turned out for you in the comments. We love hearing about your health transformations. Make sure to subscribe to Men's Health, hit the like button, and leave your thoughts. Your engagement helps us share more vital urologist secrets and trending health hacks with the world. Take control of your health now. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition or health objectives. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have watched or read here. Reliance on any information provided by this video or the channel is solely at your own risk. Before starting any new diet, supplement regimen, exercise program, or making any changes to your current medical treatment, you must consult with a healthcare professional.